Hi, and welcome back to Experiments with Miss Myers. Today's experiment is going to be another fact or fake. So, I found this experiment online that says if you take shaving cream, baking soda, and water and put it in a bowl, then you could create snow. So, we're going to see if it works or if it doesn't. First, hypothesis. Remember, that's what you create before you do an observation. So a hypothesis is if I do this, then this is going to happen. So I will start off our hypothesis for us. If I mix baking soda, shaving cream, and water, then what do you think will happen? Yes, that's great. Now, make sure if you're doing this with me, you have parent permission. You don't want to do this and then ask for forgiveness. All right, so you're going to go ahead and put your baking soda in. Then you're going to add your shaving cream. You might need to get a spoon out or a fork out to kind of help you get it out of whatever you put it in. Okay. There you go. And then you're going to mix it together with a fork. Might have to add some more shaving cream. Kind of mix everything up just a little bit more. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to add a few droplets of water. So let's count together. We're going to start off with 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're going to mix it together until it kind of looks a little bit more like snow. So this is what I have so far. Let's just add a little bit more water. Let's see if we can get it a little bit more fluffy. Okay, you ready? Let's mix it together. So this experiment, I'm going to say, is fact, because I could take this and easily make a little snowman or make a snowball and throw it. So this experiment today is fact. If you thought it was fact and you made it at home, show it to me. Let me know what it looks like. If you thought it was fake, tell me why. Go ahead and tell me on Flipgrid or tell me on Padlet. I cannot wait to see your guys' opinions and what you guys think about today's experiment. I hope you have fun creating snow and having outdoor snowball fights with shaving cream, baking soda, and water. Bye guys, see you later.